pressure than the air I breathe. Statistics said I be dead by 23, abound by these felonies, not living a life of luxury. Thank God for loving me. Made it through the grace of him. It wasn't all because of me. Consistent even when they turned their back and wouldn't fuck with me. Later kept it solid when I was down. That stuck with me. Meeting after meeting. These label heads disgusting me. Telling me I should be a TikTok rapper and that fuck with me. But I kept going, soaking wet from the storm. I was praying for some shelter, somewhere to keep me warm. Kept my ego in the process, then I was reborn. Talked about my heart and sing. I'm a human unicorn, found pain in my purpose. Transmuted all my trauma, normalized my behavior. All the chaos and the drama. Couldn't forgive myself cause I couldn't forgive mama. Had to forgive myself so I could forgive mama. I ain't saying that I'm fully healed, I'm still healing. A superhero even though they see me as a villain. Beyond grateful, I'm so thankful, look at how we living. Don't ask me how I got it, just know it's God given. I ain't saying that I'm fully healed, I'm still healing. A superhero even though they see me as a villain. Beyond grateful, I'm so thankful, look at how we living. Don't ask me how I got it, just know it's God given.